Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm your name. And today, we're diving into the kind of video that might just change your entire life, or at least make your mornings a lot less chaotic. We're talking 20 brilliant, ridiculously useful life hacks that everyone should know. Seriously, some of these are so clever you'll be like, why did nobody tell me this sooner? So whether you're looking to save time, get organized, or just impress your friends with your secret MacGyver skills, this one's for you. Let's roll. Let's kick it off with hacks that make your daily life smoother than a fresh jar of peanut butter. Painting something? Wrap a rubber band across the opening of your paint can and use it to wipe your brush. Boom. No more mess on the rim, no dried up lids, and your future self will thank you. Have a drawer full of tangled cords. Empty toilet paper rolls are secretly tiny organizing warriors. Label them, stuff your cords inside, and keep everything tidy. Binder clips, yes, the humble office supply. Clip them to the edge of your desk, feed cables through, and say goodbye to the under-desk spaghetti. And hey, binder clips don't judge your clutter, they just fix it. Next up, let's fix the chaos at home. Because we both know adulting doesn't come with an instruction manual. Clogged or stinky sink? Pour in baking soda, follow with lemon juice, enjoy the Harry Potter level fizz, then rinse. Your drain will be fresher than your group chat memes. If you've got a pet, your carpet is probably 30% fur. Grab a window squeegee and run it across the carpet. It's oddly satisfying and effective. Who knew a shower caddy could organize snacks, tissues, and random receipts in your car? No more stuff flying when you hit the brakes. These hacks are for anyone who's ever hit snooze 4 times and still forgot their keys. Pick your outfits on Sunday and free up brain power for more important things, like wondering why Mondays exist. Just type, set a timer for 20 minutes into Google. Boom. Instant productivity, especially if you're into the Pomodoro technique or just want to boil pasta. Want to remember something tomorrow? Leave it right by the door, not on your to-do list, on your floor, where you'll trip over it if needed. Okay, let's talk tech. Not the kind that makes you want to throw your phone, but the kind that makes life easier. Close the wrong browser tab, hit Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Your tab comes back like it never left. It's like an undo button for your online life. Want to search just Reddit or YouTube? Type add at Reddit in your Chrome bar, then your search. No more endless scrolling. Your thumbs are great, but your voice is faster. Use voice to text on your phone's notes app to jot down thoughts, to-dos, or your next $1 million idea. Life isn't just about being productive. It's also about being okay. Here are a few mental hacks that go a long way. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day, even if it's just coffee, Wi-Fi, and not stepping on a Lego today. Snoozing wrecks your sleep cycle. Put your phone across the room. Your future self will curse you, but your body will love you. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it right now. You'll be shocked how much stuff that includes. Microwaving leftovers? Make a hole in the middle. It heats way more evenly. Science. Chop up herbs, freeze them in olive oil in an ice cube tray. Instant flavor bombs for your next meal. Rolling saves space and wrinkles. You'll fit twice as much and still look sharp. Throw one in your suitcase. It keeps everything smelling fresh, even if you totally forgot to pack socks. At the end of your day, write down what you did instead of what you didn't. Instant mood booster. All right, that was 20 life hacks. And if you made it this far, you're now officially a life hack wizard. Which hack was your favorite? Or do you have one we have to include in part 2? Drop it in the comments below. If this video helped you out or made you smile, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss what's next. Until then, stay smart, stay curious, and keep hacking life. No more. Be more.